Welcome to JM Students Edufriend. In the video, we will talk about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 5, Sum Number 5. Prepare trial balance from the following balance of Rajesh as on 31st March 2017. So, in the books of Rajesh, trial balance as on 31st March 2017. Bills receivable. Bills receivable is asset and our debit column 13,000. Bank charges is expenses, so debit column 750. Conveyance charges expenses வந்தாலே அது expenses தான். So அப்போ இது expenses அதனால debit columnல 350. Discount received ன்னு சொல்லும்போது அது என்னது நமக்கு income அதனால credit columnல amount 1300. Cash in hand is an asset அதனால debit column 1000. Drawing debit column 7000. Sundry debtors debit column 17,100. Bills payable it's a bills payable it's a liability அதனால credit column amount 12,000. Capital credit column 25,900. இப்போ நம்ம debit and credit ரெண்டுத்தையும் total பண்றோம். total பண்ணா எவ்வளவு amount வருது 39,200. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. ஸோ total போட்டு முடிச்சிட வேண்டியதுதான். That's it. Thank you.